Assalamualaikum everyone. Hope you are doing very well and putting more efforts in your studies. First of all, congratulations to all of you from my side because you people have promoted in your next class and you have done superb in your last class. Very well then. Now dear students, we are going to have this introductory lecture of science in which I am going to tell you that what is science and what the books we are going to study and how we are going to study them in our level 7. So their first science is the poetry of reality, and I know that you people are understanding your nature after studying that and having more focus on the things that are happening around you in the world. So you know that why I always like science, because in science we are having questions that are making us wonder that how the things are happening around us. So I appreciate you all that you always question, and I hope you always get wonder as well. So next year, science. You know that what is science? Let me read it. Let me tell you again. That science is the study of nature, which is based on observation and experimentation. It affects us and our environment. Further, science is divided into different branches, that is physics, chemistry, geology, astronomy, and biology. Physics means that is related to energy and natural forces like gravity, magnetism, force of attraction, and like that. Next, chemistry. It is the study of matter and chemicals that is related to non-living matter. Geology. Geo means earth. Logi means to study, so it will be the study of earth. Astronomy means something related to stars and planets, so in that we will study the stars, planets, moons, and the other objects or phenomena that is happening in outer space. Bio means life and logi means to study, so biology means to study the living things. Why I'm telling you the science and branches? There first, these are important because our chapters are according to these branches of science. They are divided according to the branches of science. First of all, have a look on the front page of your book that we are going to have in level 7. From the same series, you have studied you have studied the book 1 in level 6. Now we are having book 2 in level 7. It is International Lower Secondary Science Book 2 from Marshall Cavendish, and the author of the book is Miss Fu Pek Lang. In level 7, the book chapters are divided into two spells, first spell and second spell. 5 chapters we are going to have in first spell, and 5 we will study in second spell. 5 chapters, that is chapter 1 from cells to organisms, chapter 3 elements and compounds, chapter 4 mixtures, chapter 6 the particle model of matter, chapter 9 energy resources. Now the question is that why we are not going to have the first 5 chapters in first spell and next 5 chapters in second spell. So there I have told you that there are different branches of science. So these chapters are actually divided according to the branches of science, so that you understand all the branches of science in first spell and same in second spell as well. Then you know that there is activity book of every subject, so why not science? For how we will forget science? So we are having the activity book of science, that is workbook. It is from same publisher, Marshall Cavendish, International Lower Secondary Science Book 2 from the author Miss Fu Pek Lang. In this book we will have the experimental activities of the chapters. Same chapters that we are going to have in first spell, same chapter from the workbook we will study. Chapter 1 from cells to organisms, chapter 3 elements and compounds, chapter 4 mixtures, chapter 6 particle model of matter, chapter 9 energy resources. These 5 chapters from the workbook we will study. So hope you get to know that how we are going to study in my first spell and second spell, and how we have divided the chapters. That's all from my side. Good luck and goodbye to you all. Hope we will meet soon in our next session. So good luck and goodbye. Allah Hafiz till we meet again. Take care.